Day 3! 2, 3, who cares what day it is?
Okay, this is my regular voice. And I just want to let y'all know, a lot of people been asking me, like their computer's been broken, and I'm an expert on fixing computers. So, if an iPod or something, get on it, go to Safari, and look up this video, and I'll tell you how to fix your iPhone, internet, iPod, or anything that has touchscreen on it. And first you go settings, clear up right there. It has it on airplane mode. You know, airplane mode, the Wi-Fi. Find a website or internet, do a little arrow, and hit auto. Then hit back to Wi-Fi network settings. The home button, hit Safari. It says Safari cannot open the page. Hit back. Go to settings again. And if your ask your networks is off, turn it on and X out. Go back to Safari. And there you go. There's your internet. Well, if it didn't work for you, too bad. Worked for me. If you have any other questions, just ask me. My other videos, little man, are kind of stupid, so probably don't like them. So, bye.